All right, 12 dash 2, right? All right, so in this activity, we're looking for three devices, DC01, DM01, and then Windows 10, right? Yep, we'll have Windows 10. All right, so to enable Windows remote management traffic to pass through the firewall. So let's see. We are in PLAB DC01. So let me make sure I have that device open. Let me close this one. PLAB DC01. I have it open. All right, so it is opened. And then server manager. Okay, click. We go to Windows PowerShell. All right, so let's go to DC01 right here. Okay, tools, right? Windows PowerShell. So I'm gonna go download Windows PowerShell. Right. Now I'm gonna make it small, just like before. Right. So in that, what do we want to do? Make it bigger. There we go. Much better. So we want to type in WIN, so window remote, right? Space quick connect, quick config. All right, quick config and then press enter. Right, it's already running. Remember, we did it before, right? That's why it says it's already running. Okay. That's fine. Step 3. Windows notice you that service is already running, which is okay. So let's see what we're doing. So keep server manager dashboard open, minimize window PowerShell. Let's go ahead and minimize that. All right, so we keep the server manager opened. Now we go to pull up DM01. We do the same thing. I have it open over here. Not that one open. Okay. All right, so it's opened. We go to, so let me wait for it to come up. And I will do the quick connect on that one too. All right, tools. Yeah, still loading. Windows PowerShell. Right? No, not that one. Not that one. Tools, Windows PowerShell, and then we go to Window Config. Okay? Bless you. All right, so we're gonna reduce that one too. So Win one. All right, type in Win Remote. All right, and then quick config. Not that. The hell is that? It's too small. That's not what I want. Let's see. The hell is this? Okay. What did change on that? Let's see. Oh, it went too far. That's a PLAB DC. PLAB DM is what I want. All right. Space quick config, right? So it's already running, which makes sense, right? Next one. So keep Server Manager dashboard open. Minimize Windows PowerShell. Okay. Okay. Windows PowerShell, and then Server Manager is open. Right. What's next? Step 7. Now we go to the device window 10, right? Let me see if I have it open here. PLAB Win 10 is right here. Access the system tray, then right click network icon and select open. Okay. Okay, so let's do that. Right click network icon and select. Okay. Let me find out over here. Network. Oh, that one. No, that one. So it open. Let's do that on the network. So we go to network and sharing center. Let's do that over here. So network and sharing center. Network. Okay. So we open that. Okay. So at that point, what do we do? On the network sharing center window, click change adapter setting. Change adapter setting. All right. And then we'll look at which one we want to choose right here. Change adapter setting. We did that. So we have Ethernet 1 and Ethernet 2. So one is plab.com and then the one is on Identify, right? So let's see which one we're going to choose. On the network connection windows, right click on Ethernet 2, all right? And click disable. Ethernet 2 right here, disable. Great. You disable Ethernet 2 since this interface is not being used, okay? And to avoid connection issues, we're working with window remote, all right? So we disable that. Step 10, close the network connection windows, right? So I'll close that in a minute. So click Ask Me Anything, right? And then PowerShell, because that's a shortcut on going on PowerShell, right? So I'm closing this right here, and then I'm typing here PowerShell, PowerShell. And then the window PowerShell pops up. All right, that's good. Now let's see what we want to type in the PowerShell. Okay, quick connect, quick config, maybe the same thing, right? So quick config in remote, quick config, all right? So is now set up to receive requests on this machine. The following changes must be made. Make these changes, yeah. Make these changes again, yeah. Good. Now it is set up. Step 13. Windows notify you that it has been updated for remote management. Keep window PowerShell window open. So let's do that. Configure window HTTP proxy. So in the PowerShell, okay, on the same machine, okay, you are connected to Pillar window 10. Window PowerShell is open. Pillar window 10 will later be configured as the computer that will collect event logs from Pillar DC01 and Pillar DM01. Okay, so to verify that the current Win HTTP connect type, okay, let's type in next. Let me do that. So next, remember we have this question in the quiz, right? Next in HTTP, right? Net sh win HTTP proxy, show proxy, and then enter. All right, so it shows the proxy right here, right? So proxy server, proxy 8080, bypass list, intranet, local intranet, right? All right, so now let's restate that. So I'm going to issue the same command, but I'm going to change some stuff on there. Instead of show, I will remove show and put in reset, right? And then press enter. All right. Direct access, no processing. All right. All right. Current process setting. Let me see. Wind HTTP reset proxy. All right. So we press enter before it was working. Okay. Show proxy. That was good. Now HTTP reset proxy. All right. So when we reset that, it should be showing direct access, no proxy, which is good, which is what we want to see. Now, next one is step 4. So connect to PLAB DM01. Okay, let me bring that up over here. I was already connected to that PLAB DM01, so I don't have to do it again. Okay, click Windows PowerShell on the taskbar because it was open before, I remember. And then I will do the same task. So net sh win HTTP show proxy. Right, show the same proxy, right? But in this case, a PLAB star and then there's a local, right? 8080. And then we're gonna restart, we will reset that. So let's do that same, and then change the show with reset. All right, and then click enter. All right, that sounds about right. Good. Step 6, minimize the window PowerShell. Let's minimize that. Okay, minimize that over here and bring this guy back to what it was. Okay. Step 7, connect to PLAB DC01. Okay, let me bring that up over here. It's also open. All right, I will go to PowerShell again on that Windows. and then I will do the same thing. So net sh win http show proxy. All right, same thing, and then reset pricing. All right, so let's keep on going here. Yep, reset proxy. Good. So we did it for the three devices. Okay. Step 9, enable event collector. Let's do that over here. Okay, so we go to pull up window 10, right? Pull up window 10. All right. Remember, I'm going to reduce this guy right here. All right, window 10 right here. Okay. And then I'm going to go QC, enter. And it's going to ask me yes or no. And then I'm going to make sure I have that. Yes. Let's do yes. All right, successful. So minimize PowerShell. Let's do that. Where are you? Right here. Minimize PowerShell. So task 4, add event collector computer to administrators security group. Okay. So now we go to PLAB DC01. It's all the way over here. PLAB DC01. I'm going to reduce the Windows PowerShell here. So on the detail, what we want to do is on the Active Directory users and computers. So let's go to Active Directory, Server Manager. Okay, we go to Tools. Make sure I have it over here. Tools. There we go. Tools, Active Directory users and computers. Active Directory users and computers. All right. Directory users and computers. All right. What do we want to do over there? So, step 2, expand the practicelabs.com and then click built-in container. Okay. Practice lab built-in containers. Okay. All right. So we expand that. It is expanded already. On the detail pane on the right, click on administrators group and then select properties. Administrators and select properties. Built-in administrators. What is that? So practicelab.com is there. Built-in is there. Okay, administrators right here. And then properties, right? There we go. Over there, what do we want to do? On the administrator properties dialog, click the members and then click add members and then add. All right, so what do we want to add? Let's go ahead. On the select users, counters, computers dialog box, right click object type. Let's go ahead and do that. Object type, click object type. Okay. And then click computers and check box. And then click OK. Computers check box. Yep, it's right there. And then click OK. All right, so we click OK. And then what else do we do? Okay, back on the select users, contact computers, we want to type in PLAB window 10 and then click OK. PLAB and let me see if I can check name. There we go. Then click OK. There we go, it's better. Step 8. So we click OK to close the administrator panel. So let's do that. I'm clicking OK over here. And then we'll be closed. All right. So next one, so we want to exit on here as well. Okay. All right. And then let me go back on the small mode. Step 9. So PLAB DM01. Let's go ahead and go to that device over here. Yep, PLAB DM01. Starts and select computer management. Computer management. Control panel. PLAB DM01. That's what I have. Right click on start. Okay. And then go to computer management. All right. There we go. On the computer management, we go to local users and group. So we expand that, local users and group, and then click group, and then go to administrator, and then go to properties. All right. And then we go to add, right? Okay, add. All right, so same thing we did before. So we'll be adding select users on computer or group. We click object type and then computers and then OK. All right, so before we move forward, let's all agree. Let me stop the recording real quick. What is that at? I don't even remember. It should be right here. Yep, it's right here.